Cool, ta. Okay, we're gonna do a song called A Song That I Knew. Alright, this song is called Lifeboat. This song has got a really big, long note at the end, but I've got a cold, so I'm going to change that to a short, low note. It's called Lifeboat. Ships pass in the night until they're gone out of sight, and maybe stars can light my way, and maybe I can witness one more day to think that I'm close to land, but my feet on the sand. No, this might not be the way that I am, but I'm sinking again, and I cannot pretend that I don't need it all felt. Thank you.